Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here. If you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Okay, I am so excited because this is my first purchase with my YouTube coin. This Apple Watch right here. So I know I did do unboxings of Apple Watches previously on my channel, and they weren't the aluminum one. Those were the stainless steel one. The girly wanted some rose gold action. So the other ones that I unboxed were not my own. I know you guys really like tech, so sometimes I do use friends and family's tech products. So they give it to me first so that I can unbox it for you guys to see. Girl, I don't got all the coin in the world.
I can't be buying so many tech products.
And it's very kind of my friends and family because they let me do all the unboxings and unwrapping, which is so kind. I mean, usually when I do MacBook Air unboxings are usually mine. I've had jobs that I've worked to get them, but this one is purely YouTube coin. So I got this on Amazon for $350 plus tax. It was like $370, but that's a pretty good price for an Apple Watch because usually they're like $400. So if you want an Apple Watch, Amazon got that $350. Also Target got that $350. But Target, you have to pay shipping, and Amazon, it was Prime and came in a day. so this is the series 4 aluminum Apple Watch. Okay, I guess I really won't be opening this up by myself. So I have to get up and get a scissor. Oh, innovation. So let's have a little ASMR action. I've also been really getting into fitness and health, so it also really made me want to get this. If you don't know, I don't know when I'm posting my video, but basically I'm going to be on Amazon Prime's Radical Body Transformations, that TV show. So now I'm super getting into health and fitness. There will be a video explaining all of that soon, and I'll have like monthly updates. So the behind the scenes of the show. You literally can't see it. It says Apple Watch indented, but it's like literally unreadable. I have the 40mm one because I personally do not need like such a big one. Like I have small wrists, small fingers, small hands, so like I'm okay with 40mm. I got the Pink Sand sports band. I'll definitely be getting more sports band though. It's definitely gonna be one of those like case accessory things. Like I'm gonna just have a bunch of them. Like I'm gonna start collecting. It's gonna go insane. Anyways, so this is how you open it. It's super innovative. And ew. This is how you open it. So it's a couple little things. Here is the sports band, and here is the Apple Watch. So this is a cute little packaging. I like that they used paper and not plastic. I know that's the stupidest thing to say in a tech video, but like, we love someone that doesn't overuse plastic. Thanks. I mean, they probably do. I don't know the insides of Apple, but like at least in this scenario, they didn't overuse plastic, which is nice. Okay, so let's open these up. Open the Apple Watch up first, obviously. Okay, so let's try to not make anything fall. So this is how it comes. Oh my god. Let's see what's in here. So I guess this is just, yeah, this is just a bunch of paperwork, how to get it started and all that kind of stuff. Here it comes with the little box and the cable and obviously the Apple Watch itself. I'm also probably gonna get a white band because like I can't only wear a pink band, like just limits all of my outfit choices. And it tells you exactly how to put it on, and I think they give you 2 in case like you have a thicker wrist or whatever or what have you. It's like a super dusty light pink, which is like the pink that's like kind of in right now. It's like a baby dusty light pink, so I love that. Like it's not an annoying pink, it's a cute light dusty pink. Here's the little Apple Watch, and it's also in a pink sleeve. Like I love this so much. Oh my god. Here she is. Here's the back. My baby. Top one, this one's medium large and this one's small. There's a little indent up here, which is where you would slide this in. So you just slide. It is turning on. Okay, here it is. All right, let's see. English, United States. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone to start pairing. On your phone, there's just already an Apple Watch app. As you can see here, it says start pairing. So I'll click start pairing on both. Here it says put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. align it with your camera view. Oh, okay, so I guess we're putting on the Apple Watch. This is so rose gold and cute. I'm really one of these people now. Your iPhone's out of date. Damn. We really thought that was gonna be a moment. Okay, well, I have to update my iPhone. All right, I got 20 seconds left of this update. While my phone was updating, I was just playing ukulele, having such a grand old time. And I almost had you, but I guess it doesn't cut it. Almost loved you. Anyways, back to this. Start pairing. Ooh. Ew, okay. Look at this interesting pattern, terms and conditions. All right, guess you have my soul. So it's very rose gold, it's super cute. And it's telling me to create a passcode, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. Okay, it's nice because the buttons get bigger as you press them. So I was scared that it would be too small for me to like, you know, feel good about. But like that was not too bad to type on. So now I'm gonna set up my activity, which is all health related things. So like my birthday, my sex, my height, my weight, all that kind of stuff.
Wait, we're not gonna talk about it right now.
Now my phone is giving me a daily move goal. So now the Apple Watch is downloading all of my apps, I guess. Yeah, so it's syncing, so it's downloading my apps. So here is my Apple Watch. Oh, I have a message. Okay, cool. So I can respond to a message like with all of these things and then give me already responses. That's really cool. So I don't really like this. I know you can change the home screen, so I'm definitely gonna change that. Theater mode, I don't know. I'm really gonna have to super play around with everything, but here it is. I love the color, as you could see from the sides of this cutie patootie. It is a very beautiful rose gold color. I love that a lot. And this is kind of important, the color and everything, because you're gonna wear it on you at all times. This is like gonna be a part of your outfits at all times. So the color and everything is kind of important. But like, of course, the wristband, you can always change whenever you want. It's very, very nice. I love that. And the charger is just this little thing right here. So you just plop it on and it is magnetic, and that's the way you charge it. And that's really cool, it's super magnetic. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this. If you want a review video, comment below. I'll obviously have to play with it for a little bit before I do a review video. I hope it helped to show you how this comes out, the setup and everything. All right guys, comment below if you want a review video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys, see you soon. Whoa, I can't hold all these things up. Oh my god. Hi guys. Very long receipt. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. And let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly. So come through. Y'all, I have an abnormally large haul. Every summer I go to Long Island, and that is where Tanger Mall is in Riverhead, and that is where there's a Victoria's Secret store where everything is always like $8. So that is where I ball out, y'all. I'm screaming. So all my Victoria's Secret stuff is in this huge bag that I also bought, as well as in this bag. And then I actually bought stuff from Karl Lagerfeld. If you don't know, he was the designer of Chanel, so he had his own brand, and I actually really like his brand. And I also have like something from West Elm. It's overwhelming here right now, so yikes. Let's get into it. Okay, let's just start with the smallest bag, which is West Elm, and then we'll get into like bigger and bigger. West Elm is like an Urban Outfitters for like 30-year-olds. That's basically it. This is my first time in West Elm, and I actually got myself a little mug. I'm literally a crazy person with mugs. I have so many because I just love to wake up every morning with a different mug. Like every morning you have like a kind of a different vibe. Love having a variety of options to choose from, and that is gonna be my greatest downfall in life. Actually on sale, it was originally $10, but it was 50% off, so I got it for $5, which I thought was a steal for a ceramic mug. Here it is. It is like this, and I love that it's like curved. It makes it more authentically made. Maybe it wasn't handcrafted, but it feels handcrafted. So yeah, I love this, and the rest of it is very simple, and I think it's so cute. And I love the little particles everywhere that really fits with like the Urban Outfitters aesthetic. Like, it's just really nice to hold. Like, it's one of those mugs that like fit in your hand perfectly, and I love a big handle. Got a cute mug. cute Mac, cute Mac. So next we have a little bag of Victoria's Secret stuff that is like cosmetics that I didn't want to put in the bag. Very long receipt. Basically everything at Tanger outlets is like semi-annual sale prices, but